Hi guys! Today we will learn how to connect apps to Claude AI. First of all, we will open a browser like Chrome, or you can open the Claude AI app directly. In this tutorial, we are using a browser, so just tap on it to continue. Both methods work, but the browser gives a clearer view sometimes. Next, we will tap on the search bar and type Claude AI. After searching, you will see different results, so just focus on the official one. This step is important because we need to access the correct website. Now tap on the first link that appears in the results. Once you click it, the Claude AI website will open in your browser. From here, we can access all settings and features. After the website opens, look at the top left corner. You will see a circular or profile icon, so just tap on it. This will open a menu where your account options are available. Now, from the menu, tap on your name at the bottom left side. This will take you into more detailed account options. From here, we can access settings where app connections are available. Next, we will tap on the Settings option. Once you open Settings, you will see different categories and options. We need to scroll and find the Connectors section. Now swipe through the settings until you find Connectors. Tap on it, and you will see different apps that can be connected. This is the main section where integrations happen. Now choose the app you want to connect. You might see a partially visible button on mobile, but just tap on Connect. If you are using desktop, everything will be fully visible and easier to manage. Finally, follow the instructions to complete the connection. Once done, your selected app will be linked with Claude AI. And just like that, you can start using connected apps easily. So yeah, guys, that's how you can connect apps to Claude AI easily. It might look a bit tricky at first, but once you follow the steps, it's pretty simple. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more tutorials.